We start with overturn running spin turn, which ends with whisk and quick wing. Man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, then lower and natural pivot, and now kind of open natural turn, forward to side, now small whisk and wing, forward and close without weight, leading lady to left side. Now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts with left foot back to side, close, lower, now natural pivoting action, now back, forward to side, now whisk, and then lower and wing, forward, outside partner on left side. With teaching count 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Let's look again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now let's look at double reverse spin and open telemark. Man starts with left foot, forward outside lady on left side, then to side around lady's heel turn and close without weight. Then with left foot forward, to side around lady's heel turn, now brush and to side in promenade position. Lady's steps. Lady starts from wing position with right foot back in CBMP, close in heel turn, now with right foot forward and cross. Back, close in heel turn, rise on toes and to side in promenade position. With teaching count from wing position and 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And again from wing position 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at hover Corte from promenade position and then outside spin. Man starts with right foot forward in promenade, then to side and hold position, leading lady to close promenade, back and lower. Now small step back, natural pivot, forward, outside partner, to side and pivot. Let's look again. Lady starts with left foot from promenade position, forward in promenade, to side in promenade. Now she turns, brushes foot and then diagonally forward and lowers. Now big step forward, outside partner, close feet on toes and step between man's feet and pivot. With teaching count, notice that hover Corte takes 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at routine in slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos!